Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a camera. The camera is clay model made from cardboard. Okay, I think it is very beautiful and I like this so much. Okay, you see, we can. So I have a video, and that video I show you clearly how to make this camera step by step. And if you want to make this camera, you can find that video on my channel and you watch again. And if you like the video, please press like and share, and then you press the subscribe to get more information when I make and upload a new video. Thank you. Goodbye.